Fourier series of the function f of t is equal to minus 1 in the interval, negative interval, and plus 1 in the positive interval, minus pi omega to 0, here 0 to pi omega. See, from this function itself, in the negative interval it is negative, positive interval it is positive, means you understand this function is odd in nature. If function is odd, what is we studied? A0, an value equal to 0, that we already studied in theory section, right? So directly you can write the answer as 0, right? A0 an value only 0 if function is odd, right? If function is even, then bn value is 0, right? Where an, bn and all what? That is Fourier coefficients. First, any Fourier series we can represent as a0 by 2 sigma n1 is equal to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx, right? So this a0 and n value, that should be 0 if function is odd, right? All right.